Steven Caulker has completed his move to Queen's Park Rangers, signing a 4-year contract for an undisclosed fee. TalkSport brought you news the defender was set for a medical at Loftus Road on Tuesday morning, having agreed terms with the side last week. And club chairman Tony Fernandes announced the player's official arrival later the same day on Twitter. "I would like to announce the signing of Steven Caulker to Queen's Park Rangers. Welcome." The 22-year-old rejoins his former Tottenham manager Harry Redknapp following just one season at Cardiff City, who were relegated to the Championship last season. Caulker signed for the Welsh outfit for £8 million last summer and was named the side's captain after only a short time at the Cardiff City Stadium. The centre-back, who scored a goal in his only England cap against Sweden in 2012, completes his move to Loftus Road just days after fellow defender Rio Ferdinand also agreed to join the newly promoted Premier League outfit.